Fine, let us go with the problem number 22. Rakesh completes one round of a running track in 8 minutes and Saroj completes it in 6 minutes. How long will it take for both to arrive again at their starting point together if they start running at the same time and maintain their speed? So it is nothing but the LCM problem, right? So just you have to find the LCM for 8 and 6. Let me go with that LCM of 8 and 6. Start to divide by 2, 2 4s are 2 3s. So further is not possible. So the LCM of this 2 4s 8, 8 3s are 24. So this is the LCM. So after 24 minutes, Rakesh and as well as Saroj arrive at this thing. What is that? Same starting point, right? This is after 24 minutes. The answer is 24